Welcome to Mailercloud. In this video, you will learn how to create segments in Mailercloud. Segmentation allows you to deliver highly personalized emails to your subscribers. To create a new segment, select Audience from the left side menu. Then select Segments and click Create Segment given at the top right corner. Now add a unique name for your segment. Then select the contact list from where you want to create a segment. You can select multiple contact lists also. When you create a segment, you'll set conditions to filter contacts based on the information available in your contact list. Also, when you combine the segmentation criteria, you must pay special attention to the Contact Match drop-down menu. Here we have two contact match criteria, all and any. Let's check in detail. All includes only the contacts that meet the combination of conditions you choose. Here you can also consider it the same as and. On the other hand, any includes the contacts that meet one of the conditions you choose. Also, this could be considered as or. In most cases, you probably use any. Other than this, you will find it interesting that Mailercloud offers a lot of segmenting options, so you can make the most out of your audience. You can add multiple conditions in each segment based on your requirement. Let's check some examples. If you want to filter all active subscribers from the list, select subscription status from the first drop-down, then choose active from the last drop-down. Let's see the next example. If you want to filter Gmail IDs from the list, select domains from the first drop-down. Choose equals, then add gmail.com. Now let's check how to combine multiple conditions and create segment. If you want to create a segment that opens your email campaigns multiple times in descending order in the last 30 days and email rating between 3 to 5, you can follow these simple steps. Select all from the Contact Match dropdown. Now, let's create the first condition. Click on the first dropdown. Look at all the options you have in order to filter out the information related to your contacts. So here we have subscription status, email verified, email rating, country, domain, etc. Let's select subscriber opened from the dropdown. Click on the second dropdown and select count by order. It will show you how many times they have opened the email. Now, select the time period from the dropdown. Here, we have two options, anytime and in the last. Select in the last. For instance, I want to get the last 30 days data, so I put 30 in the field. Then select the order in which you want the details. For example, random, ascending or descending order. Here I am selecting descending order. To add the second condition, that is email rating between 3 to 5. Click on Add Condition. Select email rating from the dropdown, then select between. Finally, choose the range. Here it is 3 and 5. Other than this, you must be aware of the fact that segmenting options vary based on the data you've collected. This means the dropdown, which contains different segmentation criteria appearing in your account, may be limited to the data that is available in your contact list. Once you add the required conditions, then click Save. That's it. Once a segment is created, all existing and new subscribers who meet these conditions will be included in the segment automatically. After you build the segment, you can target it with a campaign. So that's all about creating a new segment on Mailercloud. Thank you.